Mhm. Considering, yes, I do not want to participate. I don't want my presence. Yes, I don't want to participate. Yeah. In any court trial without all the necessary documentation of the due process of the judicial system. Oh, that sounds crazy to you, does it? Oh, delusional. It must be provided so as to be legal. As much as you wanted me to appear in court after my public defender decided to talk about missing the mental health evaluation and you just couldn't read. I'm not going to court tomorrow without a documented court order. Without notice, summons, or subpoena from the state of Washington. I'm not going to court. Now, does this seem like such a crazy idea that as a resident of the state of Washington, yes, a citizen of the United States, that every court hearing has to be docketed? Yeah. And every docketed court hearing has to have notice issued? Yes. So that as the defendant in each and every criminal trial right now, I have a right to what is legal. I'm including, yes, the picture, that the protection order was not served and it was not put in publication. If you read what it says, it specifies that jurisdiction over the subject matter is not provided. As in, there was no attempt of service, right? It wasn't put in publication. What? Then I put some screenshots in there. Yeah. Since the petitioner did not sign the protection order, it's not valid. Yes. Now, for all of those that have been living the lie, here's a copy of the Washington State Constitution's rights of citizen. Without due process, I cannot be. See Section 3. Yeah. Without the motion, the response, and the court order, the court cannot deprive me of my right to due process. See, I had the right, yes, to have some sort of motion on the part of the prosecuting attorney or the public defender's office, yes, issuing notice of an actual court date, yes, where I would have been named as a defendant right now. But you played God. You just said appear in court, whatever the fuck I say. Now, as I understand it, right, that's against the law. It's illegal and unlawful to not motion the response to the motion, as in we found out Mr. Budnick missed his mental health evaluation. We motioned the court that he be demanded to appear in court and explain why he missed his court hearing. The response of the public defender's office: no, my client, he called us at 5:30 a.m., had the blood nausea, we're rescheduling it before the 27th court hearing. Now, there was a deprivation of due process when you decided to issue the warrant for my arrest. Oh, as I understand the judicial due process, I do not show up in court without an order from the judge. Judge Porter, did you put me on the docket? Then why didn't I get notice of the court hearing from the public defender's office? I thought I would include a copy of the court directory and I would email a few extra judges. Yes. Could you get me every judge in the state of Washington? I'm going to sue every fucking one of them. Do you understand? You're a bunch of god-like judges. Now sit there and act like you will do what I say or you will go to a mental institution for the rest of your life. Now give me the pro bono work of every judge, district and superior court judge, since they first joined the bar. Because I want to know how much time you just